right, here's how you perform a push-up. Okay, so the starting position. For the starting position, you wanna make sure that your arms are directly under your shoulders when you're in that setup. You wanna make sure your quads are squeezed, your glutes are squeezed, and that your feet are pretty much about shoulder width apart. You can have them a little bit wider, just in case you need more stability. You can have them a little bit closer if you want more of a challenge. But hip width apart or shoulder width apart is perfectly fine there. The next thing you want to think about is your elbow position. You want a 45-degree angle. You don't want a T like this or an I. You want about a 45-degree angle while you're performing the whole entire movement. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Like I said before, the starting position, I'm here. My quads are squeezed, my glutes are squeezed. My hands are directly under my shoulders here, and I'm keeping a tight core position. As I go down, my arms are going to go at a 45-degree angle. My chest taps the ground, and then I come back up.